Grabe! Saan yung may nag-propose?
Dito,
Dito.
dalawa. Meron dun.
Meron dito, meron dun. Meron din dun sa taas. Upper box. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Wow! Saan yung pastor?
Kasalang bayan na dito.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Grabe. Tignan mo sa akin. Of course! Ha? Pasalamatan din natin KZ Tandingan Montero Palas. Eto na kasi nung first two nights, wala kang munang message sa akin ng diretso ka nun. Ngayon daw, meron ka nung sasabihin sa akin.
Yung message ko nila sa inyo.
Nahiya siya pa mga ganito eh. Kamaya, baby, ano ba?
Seryoso na. Magme-message yung tao!
Okay.
Ano daw? Mamaya! Magsawa kayo. Hanggang sa lumabas kayo, nakakiss kami. Tingnan natin kung di kayo magreklamo at di tayo ma-empty kasi. Shucks, dapat demure. Kasi, I just wanna say, okay, seryoso na to. Kasi uwi-uwi na sila. Unang-una po sa lahat, gusto ko lang po kayong pasalamatan isa-isa. Kung meron man pong magpo-post ng video neto online sa mga nanood po ng day 1, day 2, maraming salamat po for choosing to be with DJ these past 3 days. Hindi po kayo nagkamali sa taong susuportahan. Kasi kung gaano po siya ka-generous on stage, sa puso niya, kung paano siya magkwento sa inyo, kung paano siya nag-i-inspire, nag-i-encourage sa inyo na nanonood niya, ganon siya off stage. This person is an example of God's testament that He is the God of everything. Na kaya niyang i-compress ang time. Kaya niyang ibigay yung lahat ng mga pangarap mo in kaya niyang ibigay yung lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa isang ganun. Sobrang akong grateful that I get to witness that every single day for the rest of our lives. Kasi aside from being a great artist, singer, songwriter, head of his own label, husband, dada to our dogs, son-in-law, brother, TJ is my inspiration. Kasi as an artist, I also feel like I'm in my season of waiting. And that sometimes I feel like it's time to just throw in the towel and give up on music and on everything. But every time I wake up in the morning and I look to my left, I see this man. And I am reminded that a few years ago, he was going to give up. But he chose to fight. And in less than a year, he He's now one of the most streamed artists in the Philippines. He is the first male solo act to sell out Araneta Coliseum 3 nights at the freaking go. So, on behalf of all of us, and everybody watching, wherever you are, thank you for reminding us that dreams really do come true. I love you so much. Wala ka nang magagawa. You signed away your rights. Gino ko na lang, iiyak na ako. Hindi, pero I love you so much. I never imagined that I could love you even more after 10 years of being together. And I'm excited to spend 10 more lifetimes with you. I love you. Pala.
I love you, baby.
Medyo mo yung nanay ang tatay na. Astig lang dapat kasi ako.
Love you, KZ. Thank you. Everybody, KZ, Kandian, Montero. I love you.